Okay, go ahead and give me your name and something about yourself.
Alright. Yo, my name is Jacob, but my homies call me The Truth.
Why the truth?
Cause the ladies can't handle me, dog. Oh!
Start belching. You flatulent.
Hello, my name is Steven, and oh my god, you're putting me on the spot. I like dimes because they remind me of myself, and walruses because they have big tusks. So big.
Security! Security! Uh-oh, drop the peanut. Excuse me.
More room.
Until then, I think that
me.
means see you tomorrow.
Giants.
169, 170, 170 what? Just a little on me.
Did you know that glasses heighten the sense of sight?
So tell me, what gets you upset?
Well, it really mashes my potatoes when someone come up to me and asks me, why you doing that? What kind of stupid ass question is that, why I'm doing that? I do it because I like to do it. No pun intended.
It hurts.
I know that.
Right. Get away.
All kinds of suds.
And dude, just keep going. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh. Or maybe it was just the foam.
It's foam. What makes your blood boil?
I'm sorry?
What fuels your fire?
You're confusing me.
What tickles your pickle?
Well, it tickles my pickle when I sneeze. Feels so good.
No, I mean, what gets on your nerves?
Oh my god, why didn't you just say that in the first place? I feel so embarrassed.
There's no need to be embarrassed.
Well then, Mr. Interview Man.